milk, flour, an egg, some salt, and oil to cook it with. Let's start. Okay, next milk. Maybe that should be enough. I didn't get many instructions on this. I might have put too much in here. Mix. Well, we should continue on mixing. Okay, that looks done, I think. Now we put in the flour. I don't think that's enough. Mix. Okay, more flour. Mix. More mixing. No, I think we should put in some more flour. This is a bit too runny. I think that's the last we'll need of the flour.
Or not.
Maybe a bit more mixing. Okay, and then we will put in some salt in here. That's more than enough, I suppose.
More flour.
Okay, the consistency is good. I was just informed that there was too much milk. Okay, now oil in the pan. More oil. Okay, now we will
Oba!
okay, first it has to heat up. I'll prepare a plate for this. Okay, let's attempt
This. Scoop up half a tablespoon of the dough for the small size of the YOHN'S pancakes. Oh no, why are my hands turning so old? Gently put the dough into the pan like shown here.
Okay, my grandma has a better technique for putting it into the pan. Let's check more cooking. Since the milk consistency was too high, I thought the pancakes would be way wider, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So the camera stopped working, so I will show the process of doing this.
Sheesh, what little ones.
You can see I'm flipping them quite often because they cook very fast since they are small. Iš viso balionas pasidaro. Spurgyti. Flip them a few more times and we'll be done. Okay, as you can see, it will be soon finished. So essentially how we take them out is simply with a fork. You would usually do it with 2 hands, so it would be way easier to do. As you can see, since I put too much milk on, there are a very big amount of pancakes. Even though I put in too much milk, it still looks very delicious. I will punch. A taste test. Even though we didn't put any sugar in, it's very sweet because of the cherry jam. Overall, a very good blin. 10 out of 10.